Hello YouTube, this is Asatsu5 and this is an unboxing video. A little note to FedEx, if you're watching, please don't deliver my package to the neighbor's house. And especially don't deliver it in the back of their truck at my neighbor's house. I'm expecting a pretty important package Sunday and I'd like it delivered here where I can sign for it. So, now that we got that out of the way, what are we going to use to open up this package? Are we going to use the brand new Pacific Salt 2, or the Fatini Patude Cappuccino? I think I'm going to use this. This is a package from Eclipse Hosters. And it's kind of ironic or interesting because the package that I plan on getting this Sunday is the rest of the gun that this holster is going to fit to. I think that's everything in there. I actually got two things from Eclipse. Right here. Just the shipping label, I think. Something that y'all are probably going to be interested in is the holster. This is a beltless holster for the Hellcat OSP. It's supposed to be cut for an optic, and this is kind of interesting. It's a utility clip or UT clip, and this is supposed to work without a belt. I don't know if my body shape will accommodate not having a belt, but my original intention of getting this is if I'm in a bathing suit or shorts. Usually when I go to the coast, I wear hybrid shorts. Those shorts that work both as a swimsuit and as a walking around town kind of a swimsuit. And I like them, one, because they have belt loops, but two, because they have sufficient pockets. And I hate having a swimsuit that has no pockets, or the one back pocket. Because occasionally when I'm wearing shorts, I like to have my fishing license on me. I like to have wallet, cell phone, and stuff on me. And then if I need to get in the water, I can take that out. But if I need to make a quick trip to the bait store, it's just nice to be able to put that stuff in your pockets. For those of you who don't know, Eclipse Hosters, the name is inspired by outer space. It is owned by a woman. What's her name? I can't remember her name. I should have remembered it after or before opening this. She was obsessed with outer space, and she wanted to be a woman astronaut, but apparently her grades weren't good enough, so she started making gun holsters. So we got some space stickers. I'm probably going to give those to my future sister-in-law because she loves space. I might keep one of them. Eclipse Hosters. And this is a easy return card. So I got this holster that's supposed to be kind of reminiscent of a Mexican blanket. And I did this on purpose because I plan on getting a Mexican blanket handle scales for my Elvia. And I just thought that it's a fun color scheme and makes things a little bit less scary, in my opinion. It makes it seem a little bit more fun. And guns and knives are definitely a fun thing for me. And so I just wanted something that was a little bit fun, not necessarily tactical. Although the Hellcat could properly be described as tactical and tactical, but I wanted something that was just a little bit more on the fun side. And I got me a wallet, a Kydex wallet. I've tried an Armitage Carry Kydex wallet, and I wanted to try their Kydex wallet. Again, the Kydex wallet is more of a beach thing. It's something that if I hop in the water with my wallet, that hopefully the wallet won't get ruined. And it's in a hard shell, so it won't wear and tear on the banknotes. And this is the jade color, I think is what they call it. I was hoping it'd be a tad bit brighter, but still a cool color. And hopefully if I drop it, I'll be able to find it. And if I like this and I decide I want a brighter color, I'll get another one. But this is a Kydex wallet. So hopefully very soon I will have a gun to put in this. My if I haven't told you, the optics plate that's on my Hellcat, I got a red dot sight for it, and I was trying to remove the screws to the optic plate, and one of the screws stripped, and that was very frustrating. So I sent it to Springfield to remove that stripped screw, and afterwards I was telling my dad about it, and he's like, you know, you could have went to the pawn shop. They have a gunsmith there. I don't know if he's like a legitimate gunsmith, like if he can like bore out and read chamber gun calibers and stuff, but he should have the tools to remove a stripped screw. So I kind of feel it's kind of silly sending my slide all the way to Springfield Armory, but they're supposed to be hooking me up and sending my slide supposed to be delivering my slide this Sunday, and I look forward to using it with this holster. So that, and also this kind of looks like a swimsuit. So yeah, it's cool. So that's it. That's the rationale behind this color scheme and this attachment method. And I'm looking real forward to trying it out. So that's it. I'm a Satsu 5, and I'm out.